Welcome again to Benji's First Shop. So today we'll be taking on getting this ready for paint. So today we will do some more of demo work. We're gonna scrub all these spots off. I'm gonna take you around the truck, show you all the spots. It's very bad, so we gotta paint it. Just gonna rub it off and see where it goes from there. So let's go. We're gonna take a tour around the truck and see all the bad spots. As you look at all of those chips. Not good. Not good. Really bad. Look right there. No. No. We don't want the truck going on the road looking like this. So we're gonna see what we could do. We're gonna get it all rubbed off and prime and ready for paint. So today we'll be using 150 grade sandpaper to get all these rough parts off, and later we'll be using a 400 grade sandpaper to smooth things down. So we just did our first panel right here. I'm gonna show you. We only use the 150 grit sandpaper right now. So it's looking pretty nice, smooth. I'm just gonna walk around and show you what's going on. This is after sanding it with 150 grade sandpaper, looking all nice. So now we're about to wash it off, and I'm gonna smooth it out with a 400 grade sandpaper with water, so it comes out really nice. And then once that dry, we're gonna tape it up real nice, and then we're gonna prime it. So stay tuned, and this is our first round of sanding it off with 150 grade sandpaper. So now we're about to go do priming, and we just went to Lowe's and we got some primer. We are going to use, this is our primer, and it's a gray primer, and we already taped the truck off, and we have our makeshift booth. So, ready for it. Shake it up. Give it a good shake. And we're gonna start from this side. We're already over here, right? So remember, try to get the spots that's been rubbed out the most, okay? Steady, one direction. Now remember to spray evenly, up and down, in one direction. This is just the first coat. We're gonna let it sit here and dry. Then we're gonna sand it off again, get the imperfection out before we paint it. And it's gonna be paint white again, but for now we use a gray primer, and we're just gonna let it dry. This should be dry in 20 minutes. 20 minutes time. Let's leave it for 30 minutes. We're gonna sand it down again, sand down the imperfections. If we needed to compound any part of it, then we're gonna do that, then get it ready for putting on the color. So stay tuned and subscribe, share the Benji's First Choke. Thank you.